Hey, it's Dr. Shirley at Level Up, Integrative Health and Medspa. And this is Julia from Moon Beauty. She's my esthetician. So we have found that the best way to get good results with skincare is an integrative way. So we address different levels of skincare. So we will address nutrition, lifestyle, sleep, but we'll also look at any possible hormonal imbalances. We will consider topical and also oral medications that are acne specific. We will also do acne facials and also lasers. A week before lasers, I do recommend people get a good acne facial to open up the skin pores, remove all the sebum with a good exfoliation, and then get the laser treatment a week later because that's when we close the pores. We reduce the oil gland production, and we also will be able to kill acne causing bacteria with the laser genesis that we have.
Hi guys, I'm very happy to be part of the integrative medicine, and we really see a good results when we combine all our procedures together. And I hope we can help all of you to get rid of your problems. And welcome to see us.
Hope to
Bye.
see you soon.